Hello children, so this is our next video for articles. In the previous video I told you about the usage of a, an and the. Now in this video I will tell you and explain you where articles are not used, where you are not required to put any articles. So the first point where articles are not used is before proper nouns like person's name, country name, city name, month's name, day's names. For example, if I say that Mr. Lal lives in this house, so you are not required to put the before Mr. Lal. No article, no a, no an or no the before Mr. Lal. Like if I say January is the first month of the year, so we are not required to use any article before January. So this is how before the proper nouns. Next is the abstract nouns. Abstract noun means honesty, freedom, truth, wisdom. For example, I say that honesty is the best policy. So honesty is a noun here, but before noun you are not using any articles. Honesty is the best policy. Next is before the material nouns, that is gold, silver, water. Before all these material nouns also we are not going to use any kind of article. For example, I say that water is precious, so I have not used any article before water. Next is before the names of the languages or subjects. It can be subjects also, Hindi, English, maths, or it can be any language also, like if I say Punjabi, Gujarati. You are not going to use any kind of articles before these languages or subject. If I say English is my favorite subject, so before English I am not going to put any of the articles. Next is, these are the exceptionals which we use in articles, and these are very important. Now the first point is, the following words begin with vowel letters but not with vowel sounds. They therefore take a before them. Now see, I say words like university, European, uniform. Now university and uniform have u before them, but still we are not using an. Why is it so? So here the vowel u in university and uniform and eu in European sounds like u. See this word u, that is, these were sounds as if they begin with the consonant letter y. So we use a before them. Though you know about this and you have been told about all these points in your previous classes, this is just a recapitulation of what you have done and to make you remember again that these are the things which are very important. And when you get a question like fill in the blanks with the suitable articles and put cross wherever necessary, so you need to know where you are supposed to put articles, where you don't have to put any articles, and if these kind of exceptions come which are based on the sounds, which article you have to use before them, that is very important. So here, because of the sound of the u which is sounding like y, we are using a before them. Next point is an, are, an honest man. Now these words are and honest have started with h. Now again a question arises, why before an h you have used an? Because h is a consonant letter, but here in are and honest h remains silent. That is why we take o, because there is a sound of o before them. That is why we take an before an honor, an honest man, on an honorable person. Then the next point is 1 rupee note, one-eyed man. You will remember that when you do homophones, you have definitely done one, the other words which sounds like one, that is one, W-O-N, one. So here one sounds like one, that means it has started, it sounds as if it has started with W letter, which is a consonant letter. That is why again, as it sounds as if it has started with a consonant letter, we are going to use a before a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man. So this is how these are very important points and exceptional points which you have to remember while doing the articles. In the next, for this you will be getting a worksheet which you have to do in your fair notebook. So read these lines very properly, listen to the video very carefully, then only you will be able to do the articles properly. Thank you.